Hi guys and welcome to my channel. It's your girl Leilani Love, and today we are doing special effects makeup. So this is something that I love doing. I usually do it around Halloween, but today I got to do it for this guy. His name is Fly High Drew on Instagram. He's a singer and he wanted some special effects in his video. So I was booked by his manager and just asked to give him a busted lip and a messed up eye. So here we go. This was so much fun, guys. So originally I started pouring out liquid latex to add to his eye, but the liquid latex was taking too long to dry. So I ended up just using Creepy Skin, which I got from the Halloween store. And I'm basically just molding it and kind of shaping it and using makeup and setting powder to set it. So the thing with the Creepy Skin versus the liquid latex would stick, like he could sing and all of that. So I used the Creepy Skin, and that's not made for like someone that's going to be moving their face, and it's made for like pictures. So basically when I used the Creepy Skin, it was kind of like giving me a hard time as far as like stickiness. So I ended up having to go in and put liquid latex underneath just a little bit, just so it would give him the hold that he needed so he could move his face around and sing. Because you guys will see when he sings, he's very like dramatic. Like he was squeezing his face like extra hard, and I'm looking like, oh my God, be still. Nah, it was cool. But it came out so good. We used some fake blood too, had it dripping down his chin onto his shirt. And this is the look. I was so hyped, y'all. Everybody was like, oh my God, it looks so real. I had so much fun doing this. I would love to do special effects like more. This is him being recorded in one of his scenes where he's busted up. And he said that he really got into character because of the makeup. So that made me feel so good. And I'm glad he loved it. And I hope you guys love it too. Just want to thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And make sure you look me up on Instagram too. And thank you guys for watching. Until next time, peace and love.